When I was young, my hair was a crown, a cascade of curls that defined me and set me apart. My mother always said my hair was not just hair, it was a symbol, a legacy carried from generation to generation, an emblem of strength and beauty. I didn't fully understand this then, but even as a child, I felt the importance of my hair, especially on Sunday evenings, when my mother would gather her tools and prepare for what she called the ritual. On these evenings, I'd sit on a stool, feeling a sense of anticipation and comfort, surrounded by the rich scent of coconut oil and herbal-infused shea butter that she'd mix with great care. She'd bring out her wooden comb, its teeth thick and gentle, worn smooth by years of use, and a colorful scarf that seemed to hold a magical quality, as if it had stories of its own. My mother's fingers moved with purpose as she parted my hair into sections, as though she were preparing a sacred offering. She worked slowly, each movement careful and reverent. Sometimes she'd pause, hold a curl between her fingers, and let it bounce back. "This hair is alive, my child," she'd say with a smile. "It tells stories." As she combed and twisted, she'd hum a melody soft and ancient, her voice rising and falling like waves. Then she'd begin to tell me stories of the great-grandmothers and grandmothers who came before me, women who had lived and loved, who had walked with pride and carried their beauty and strength in their hair. She would speak of my great-grandmother, who had hair like a storm, wild and untamable, and of my grandmother, whose long, jet black locks had been the envy of the village. Through these stories, my mother taught me that my hair was a bridge, connecting me to the women who came before me and to those who would come after.
Motherfucking best. Yeah. Yeah.